Now, we may be setting ourselves up for a bit of a disaster today, but let me break it down for you. We have a whole bunch of different pearls here at DipYourCar. Most of those pearls are mica-based pearls, but there's a specialty group that are unlike the others in the fact that they are aluminum-based. These are the carbon pearls. We get them from our buddies over at KP Pigments. Carbon pearls, being aluminum-based, are bolder and more intense by nature. Now, we want to play with carbon pearls today, right? There's a whole bunch of them. And Gabe and I were thinking, man, it would be cool to mix up a couple of these. And that evolved into, well, maybe we should just mix all of them. So today we are mixing all 7 carbon pearls together. And I know this is a bad idea because I texted Peter from KP Pigments and I told him what we were planning on doing. And in so many words, he said, don't do that, which made me want to do it even more. So here is glossy top coat, and let me walk you through all of these delightful carbon pearls that we're going to be playing with today. So first we have carbon gold. Absolutely gorgeous, right? So here goes carbon gold. So I think we mix in each one, and then we see how each one impacts the total mix, right?
Sure.
Okay. Carbon gold. This is like a traditional bling yellow sparkle gold. It's gorgeous. Next, carbon blue. Now you can tell that it's an aluminum-based pearl because look at how intense that metallic effect is. Already we've got a mess because here goes carbon blue into carbon gold. Let's see what happens. We're going to have a lot of stages of this project. Oh, all right. What did that just do?
Like made it a pewter.
Okay. So that's carbon blue and carbon gold. Next we have a very famous one, which is carbon red. We did this on the R8 a while back. This is about as close to a true red pearl as we have. All right, carbon red going in. So this should add kind of like a purpley vibe with the existing carbon blue.
We would think so.
All right. The question is, are we going to be able to pull away from this pewtery something? Well, it's only going to get more silver because coming up next is carbon silver, which is what we're traditionally using for our candy projects because it's the most metallic silver that we have. So here goes carbon silver. I think we know what's going to happen with this one. All right. Okay, next, one of my favorites, because it's got almost a color shifting effect to it. This is carbon green. And in the bag, it looks kind of blue, which is really wild because the powder is a beautiful green. Look at that. All right, so in goes carbon green. Do you think this is going to change it at all?
Yeah, I think so.
It's like a little witch's brew action here. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can tell, there's a lot of floating sparkles. All right, carbon lava is next. This is kind of like a carbon red, but with like an orangey flare to it. Carbon lava being a very appropriate name. Gabe's over there dodging pearl particles. We've got one more. The last one of the bunch, carbon orange. This one might be one of my favorites. Super rich, super saturated. It's got kind of a bronzy vibe to it. So in goes carbon orange. And our final little blend here. So the question is, once this goes down over a black base, how many of these colors are going to be playing a role? Probably all of them in a way. Are we going to end up with like a kaleidoscope freaking holographic vibe?
I'm not sure. I know where it's going to be more on the silver tone of a car, but...
Oh yeah, they're all kind of fighting against each other. Here's a little stick of truth for you. So there's definitely some silvery. I can see everything though. I can see a little bit of green, a little bit of red, a little bit of blue. It almost looks kind of holographic.
Kind of.
Did we set ourselves up for failure in this?
Tried.
I mean, the entire planning for this video was about 45 seconds long. It went from, we should use carbon pearls, to we should mix two, to let's mix all of them. Well, it's too late now, so the entire carbon pearl family going down on the S4 over a black base. Let's go. All right, guys, we're all done with the project, and this is every carbon pearl we have coming together. Now, when we started this, we knew there's a good chance we're gonna end up with one of two outcomes. Either all these different carbon pearls are gonna fight against each other, and we're just gonna end up with one patchy mess, or we're gonna end up with the most metallic car in the world. Which one is it? Well, that's for you guys to decide. We're gonna bring the car outside right now, and you know what to do. Take a good look at this one, leave a comment below, and rate this project for us 1 through 5. Let us know if you love the outcome or if you hate it. And if you wanna dip your own car, your own wheels, your own emblems, all of our DIY kits are in one place for you right here. We had a ton of fun on this project. I hope you had fun watching it. We'll see you on the next video.